A decent crumble. If you're looking for an extremely quick and easy to cook pudding, then you can't go wrong with a crumble. To make a crumble, you will need 8 ounces plain flour, 4 ounces of butter/margarine, 3 ounces sugar/castor sugar, a pinch of salt. Mix the flour, sugar, and salt in a bowl, then add the butter. With your hands rub the mixture together until there are no lumpy bits of butter remaining. You could also use a blender for this part. The whole process should take about 5 minutes. You can use almost anything as a filling. Some ideas include rhubarb, pears, tinned is okay, apples, peaches, tinned is okay, peaches and pears, apple and blackcurrants, or any combination of your favorite fruits. Place the fruit into an oven-proof dish. Spread the crumble mix evenly over the top of the fruit. Optionally, you can sprinkle about 1 ounce of sugar over the top. To cook, heat the oven to gas mark 5/180 degrees. Place the dish in the center of the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden brown. You can serve with custard, single cream, carnation, or your favorite ice cream.